When building a mini ITX system, part compatibility is crucial, especially when choosing components like the PSU or GPU. In some cases, the size of your PSU or the performance of your CPU and GPU can limit airflow, affecting overall system efficiency. I personally encountered this issue firsthand when my previous PSU partially blocked the tubes of my AIO cooler. To solve this, I upgraded to the smaller Corsair SF750 2024 model. This PSU has been redesigned to meet the new ATX 3.0 requirement, making it a pretty good choice for people who want to opt for a mini ITX build. The size difference between a 1000-watt SFX LPSU and an SFX 750-watt is quite astonishing. Even though they are both SFF PSUs, I still prefer the SF750 for its size. The Corsair SF750 comes with premium feeling braided cables out of the box, unlike many other modular PSUs. If you want custom cables, you'll typically need to purchase a kit from CableMod or any other custom cable provider. One notable aspect of the SF750 is that despite complying with the ATX 3.0 requirements, it doesn't have a built-in 12-volt high-power connector. However, Corsair includes a custom 2x6-pin to a 12-volt high-power cable, eliminating the need for a separate custom cable kit. There is not much more to say about this PSU. Its compact size and power delivery capabilities can easily handle today's high-end builds. The Platinum rating makes it even more impressive considering its power delivery rating for 750 watts. For me, this PSU checks all the boxes and I'll definitely be keeping it. As for my older 1000-watt PSU from Thermaltake, I'll need to find a new use for it. That was it for me today, and I'll see you in the next one.